Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of a life where you can work from anywhere in the world? Imagine being able to explore exotic destinations while honing your copywriting skills and earning a steady income. As a copywriting digital nomad, you have the opportunity to combine your love for writing with the freedom of remote work. But how do you get started on this exciting career path? In this discussion, we will explore the benefits, challenges, and essential skills required to thrive as a digital nomad copywriter. Stay tuned to discover how you can turn your passion for words into a fulfilling and adventurous lifestyle. Benefits of being a digital nomad copywriter. There are numerous benefits to being a digital nomad copywriter. As a digital nomad copywriter, you have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world, embracing a location-independent lifestyle. You can take advantage of this flexibility to explore new places while still doing what you love. Copywriting. With a global client base, you can work with businesses from different countries and time zones, expanding your horizons and gaining valuable experience. Not only do you get to travel and experience new cultures, but you also have the opportunity to earn a sustainable income while doing so. By leveraging your copywriting skills, you can offer your services as a freelance copywriter and generate income from various clients. This allows you to enjoy a fulfilling lifestyle, balancing work and leisure. You can work on your own terms and create a well-rounded life that suits your personal needs. Being a digital nomad copywriter truly offers the best of both worlds, the chance to travel and explore while still maintaining a successful career. Challenges faced by digital nomad copywriters. Remote work obstacles addressed. Digital nomad copywriters encounter various challenges in their unique lifestyle. One of the main challenges is reliable internet connectivity while traveling. As a digital nomad copywriter, you rely heavily on the internet to communicate with clients, conduct research, and submit your work. However, not all destinations may have a stable internet connection, making it difficult to meet deadlines and stay productive. Another challenge you may face is managing different time zones for client communication and work hours. As a digital nomad, you may be working with clients from around the world, which means you need to be available during their business hours. This can lead to irregular sleep patterns and a disrupted work-life balance. Maintaining social connections and combating homesickness can also be challenging. As you constantly move from one place to another, it can be difficult to form long-lasting relationships and feel a sense of belonging. Additionally, being away from friends and family for extended periods of time can lead to feelings of homesickness. Finding quiet and productive workspaces in various locations is another challenge. Working from cafes or co-working spaces may not always be conducive to concentration and creativity. It can be a struggle to find a suitable workspace that allows you to focus and produce high-quality work. Lastly, client communication can be challenging when you're in different time zones and constantly on the move. Scheduling meetings and coordinating with clients can become complicated, leading to miscommunication and delays in project timelines. Essential skills for success as a digital nomad copywriter. Digital nomad, copywriting success. To succeed as a digital nomad copywriter, honing your writing skills and understanding marketing principles are crucial. As a digital nomad copywriter, your main task is to craft compelling copy that resonates with your target audience. Strong writing skills are a necessity to effectively communicate your message and capture the attention of potential clients. Understanding marketing principles and consumer behavior psychology will help you create copy that appeals to your target market and drives conversions. In addition to honing your writing skills and marketing knowledge, building a diverse portfolio is essential for attracting clients. Your portfolio should showcase your ability to write in various styles and for different industries. This will demonstrate your versatility and expertise as a copywriter. Another important aspect of being a successful digital nomad copywriter is establishing a strong online presence. Having a website and active social media profiles will allow you to showcase your work and connect with potential clients. It's also important to continuously learn and stay updated on industry trends. Copywriting is an ever-evolving field, and staying ahead of the curve will give you a competitive edge. How to find remote copywriting opportunities. Remote copywriting job search. Looking to find remote copywriting opportunities. As a digital nomad, you have the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world and take advantage of the booming remote work industry. One of the best ways to find remote copywriting projects is through online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. These platforms connect freelance copywriters with businesses and individuals looking for their services. By creating a strong profile and showcasing your copywriting skills, you can attract remote opportunities that align with your expertise. In addition to online platforms, networking is also crucial in finding remote copywriting gigs. Connect with other freelancers and agencies in the industry, attend virtual conferences or webinars, and join professional copywriting groups on social media platforms like LinkedIn. Building relationships with other professionals can lead to referrals and collaborations, opening up more remote work opportunities. With the rise of remote work, many businesses are shifting their operations online, increasing the demand for remote copywriters. This presents a great opportunity for digital nomads to showcase their skills and secure remote copywriting projects. The digital nomad lifestyle offers the freedom to work on your own terms and have flexible working hours, allowing you to explore new destinations while earning an income. Tips for managing work and travel. As a digital nomad copywriter, work and travel balance. Maintaining a consistent work schedule is essential for effectively balancing client deadlines and travel activities as a digital nomad copywriter. As you embark on your nomadic journey, it's crucial to prioritize time management and create a well-structured work schedule. Utilize time zone differences to your advantage by aligning your work hours with your client's availability. This way, you can ensure prompt communication and meet deadlines efficiently. To stay productive while traveling, establish a dedicated workspace with reliable Wi-Fi. Having a designated area for work will help you maintain focus and ensure that you can meet your client's needs without interruptions. Additionally, open and transparent communication with your clients about your travel arrangements and availability is key to building trust and maintaining professional relationships. As you explore new destinations, remember to strike a healthy work-life balance. Allocate sufficient time for work, but also make time to immerse yourself in the local culture and enjoy your surroundings. Remember that being a digital nomad copywriter allows you the freedom to work from anywhere, so take advantage of the opportunities that come your way. Building a portfolio as a digital nomad copywriter. Digital Nomad Copywriting Portfolio. Showcasing a diverse range of writing samples is crucial for a digital nomad copywriter in building a strong portfolio. As a digital nomad copywriter, your portfolio is your calling card and the best way to showcase your skills to potential clients. It's important to include a variety of writing samples that demonstrate your ability to adapt to different projects and brand voices. For example, you can include samples of social media campaigns, product descriptions, email campaigns, and website copy. To create a strong portfolio, consider writing blog posts that incorporate good SEO practices and volunteering your services to local businesses. This won't only help you gain experience, but also allow you to showcase your ability to handle diverse projects. Additionally, it's essential to develop a professional website where you can display your work and writing samples. This will make it easier for potential clients to find and evaluate your skills. When building your portfolio, make sure to highlight your creativity and writing style. Showcasing your ability to think outside the box and bring fresh ideas to the table will attract clients who are looking for unique and engaging content. Furthermore, emphasize your capability to adapt to different brand voices. This will demonstrate your versatility and ability to write in a way that aligns with the client's brand identity. Resources and tools for digital nomad copywriters. Digital nomad copywriting support. To enhance the quality of your copywriting work as a digital nomad, utilize tools like Grammarly for proofreading and editing. Grammarly is a powerful online tool that can help you catch grammar and spelling mistakes, improve sentence structure, and enhance the overall clarity of your writing. It can be a valuable resource for ensuring that your copy is error-free and polished before delivering it to clients. In addition to Grammarly, there are other resources and tools that can benefit digital nomad copywriters. Building a portfolio showcasing diverse copywriting projects is essential to demonstrate your skills and attract potential clients. Your portfolio should highlight your ability to write persuasive and engaging content across different industries and mediums. Networking is another crucial aspect of being a successful digital nomad copywriter. By connecting with other copywriters and potential clients, you can find opportunities to collaborate, share insights, and expand your client base. Joining online communities, attending industry events, and actively participating in discussions can help you build valuable connections and stay updated on industry trends. Conclusion. In conclusion, being a digital nomad copywriter offers numerous benefits, such as the freedom to work from anywhere and the opportunity to earn a sustainable income while traveling. However, it also comes with challenges, including managing work and travel effectively. To succeed in this field, essential skills like persuasive writing and understanding online marketing strategies are crucial. By building a strong portfolio and utilizing available resources and tools, digital nomad copywriters can find remote opportunities and thrive in the world of persuasive content creation.